A 2012 Acura. I'm gonna check the alternator. I'm gonna show you. I got two ways to check it. One, I do my digital voltmeter, and I got the negative wire going to the negative of the battery. As you can see, I'm using this jumper wire, and the positive, I'm going right to the alternator. So I'm getting 828 volts, and I'm using my regular tester, battery tester, and I like to use this to put load on it. Sometimes when I trigger it, sometimes even kill the engine. Let's see. Yup, it killed the engine. So it's pretty much this alternator is dead. It's actually, you can hear the noise that's making is really bad. So that's how I test the alternators. We're gonna replace it, then we're gonna make the next video to show you how it's supposed to read when it has a good alternator. This one, it was really low, and the car is kind of beat up. So we're gonna start by replacing the alternator. Okay.